Welcome to English Binglish Part 2. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's practice listening in English.
Hello, my dear friends. Welcome back to my channel. Do you want to speak English naturally and confidently? Do you feel nervous, stuck, or afraid when speaking English? Don't worry, you are not alone. In this video, I will help you get addicted to English and improve your speaking skills step by step. If you watch this video till the end and practice with me, your English speaking will improve, I promise. So relax, take a deep breath, and let's start. Most people fail at English, not because English is difficult, not because they are not smart. They fail because they use the wrong method. They try to study English the way they studied math or science. But English is not a subject, English is a skill. And skills are not learned by studying, skills are learned by doing again and again. Let's be honest, most English learners memorize grammar rules, learn long vocabulary lists, translate everything in their head, feel afraid of making mistakes, and after years of learning, they still say, I understand English, but I can't speak. This happens because their brain is under pressure. Your brain has two modes: learning mode, relaxed, curious, emotional; survival mode, stressed, afraid, blocked. When you worry about grammar mistakes, pronunciation, what people think, your brain enters survival mode. And in survival mode, learning stops. This is why children learn languages faster. They are not afraid, they are not embarrassed, they are not perfect. So, the first big idea is remove pressure, remove fear, remove perfection. This may sound strange, but listen carefully. When you study, you sit with a book, you force yourself, you feel tired quickly. When you learn English, you enjoy content. You forget you are learning. Time passes fast. Your goal is not to study English. Your goal is to build a relationship with English. Just like you don't study music, you listen to it. You don't study movies, you watch them. English must become part of your life, not a task. Your brain learns best when emotion is involved. So ask yourself, what do I enjoy? What do I watch every day? What do I talk about for hours? Now, here is the rule. Do that thing in English. Examples: love cooking, watch cooking videos in English. Love business, follow English business channels. Love fashion, English fashion content. Love gaming, English gaming streams. At first, you will understand maybe 30 to 50%. That is perfect. You don't need full understanding. Your brain learns naturally by exposure. This is exactly how children learn. Big mistake. Learning English only when you feel motivated. Correct method. English every day, even when motivation is low. Addiction is built through consistency, not intensity. Perfect daily English routine: 30 minutes. 1. 10 minutes listening, YouTube video podcast, movie clip. 2. 10 minutes reading or watching with subtitles. Learn naturally, no dictionary, every second. 3. 5 minutes speaking, repeat sentences, talk to yourself. 4. 5 minutes writing, one sentence, one thought, one idea. This is enough. Your brain will start expecting English every day. Missing a day will feel strange. That's addiction. Let me tell you a hard truth. You will never feel ready to speak. Fluency comes after speaking, not before. Children say wrong grammar, wrong pronunciation, wrong words. but they keep speaking. Adults stop speaking because of fear. How to speak without fear? Talk to yourself. Speak alone at home. Speak in the mirror. Record your voice. You don't need people, you need practice. Broken English spoken confidently is better than perfect English inside your head. Most learners waste time memorizing single words. This is ineffective. Instead, learn full sentences. Example: decision. I need to make a decision. Opportunity. This is a great opportunity for me. Sentences teach grammar, vocabulary, natural structure. Your brain stores language as patterns, not rules. Repetition is necessary, but boring repetition doesn't work. Smart repetition. Hear the same phrase in different videos. Use the same sentence in different situations. Say it naturally in your life. When repetition is natural, your brain enjoys it. This is how fluency is built. This is the final and most powerful step. Stop saying, I am learning English. Start saying, I am an English speaker. English is not difficult. The method is wrong. Don't chase fluency. Don't chase perfection. Build addiction. Build habit. Build identity. And fluency will come automatically. If this video helped you, like the video. Comment English is part of my life now. Subscribe for more deep English learning videos.
Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.